Hey everyone, thanks for checking out this announcement video, hopefully this short announcement video. I wanted to kind of update everyone on a pretty major change that I'm going to be implementing going forward. I don't know exactly what I'm titling this video, but it's something like I'm finished or I'm quitting or something like that. So let me first off make the statement that I am not quitting YouTube. I'm not shutting down the channel. I'm still going to be making content related to pre-employment medical testing and drug testing, even though YouTube with its monetization policies has been driving me crazy with the drug-related content, etc. Again, just a big headache with YouTube and their monetization policies. I'm just trying to inform people and keep them up to date on new procedures, but YouTube, for whatever reason, has a fit when it comes to drug-related content and monetization. So whatever. With that being said, I'm going to continue to make videos updating people on changes to medical exams, to drug testing, policies and procedures. So nothing's going to change as far as the videos, the content, the format, how often I'm uploading, etc. So what I am quitting is in my day-to-day, in my office life, I am no longer going to be offering drug testing in my offices. So I will still be offering the basic med exam, the medical exam for pilots, DOT physical for truck drivers, sports, pre-sports, physicals, etc. So I'm still going to be doing medical exams just the way that I have been for years now, but I will not be drug testing. So if you call my office to schedule a drug test, we will not be able to accommodate you, unfortunately or fortunately, depending on how you see it. And I'm going to explain why here in just a second. So maybe some of you out there watching this video have been into my office and I have done medicals on you before. If you need a drug test, we are not going to be able to provide that in our office anymore. So why is this? So with everything else that I do, again, with the DOT physical, with physicals for pilots, etc. These are safety sensitive positions. And I believe that the exam has a place. I think it's important that people be fit and healthy enough to operate big pieces of machinery where thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of dollars are at stake, and potentially a lot of lives are at stake too. So I think there is a need for the DOT physical and physicals for safety sensitive jobs and hobbies like pilots. So I think that there is a place for those exams and there is value in those exams. Now, as far as drug testing goes, I make so many videos about, and my opinion being that the drug testing system that we have here in the United States as it pertains to the urinalysis and hair testing is broken. It's upside down, doesn't work, it can be easily cheated on, so it doesn't really even serve its purpose. It's biased towards certain people, certain ethnicities, it's biased towards certain drugs, etc. I make tons of videos with my opinion on different topics of why I disagree with the drug testing procedures that the federal government has in place currently in the United States. So in looking back through my catalog of videos, which I've done recently, I came to the realization that I can't be a part of the problem. I can't continue to implement a test that I don't really believe is valid and fair in my offices and then turn right around and make videos like the ones that you see on my channel complaining about these tests and saying we need change and saying we need reform, etc. So the only thing that I can think to do, because I don't want to stop making videos, I don't want to stop informing the public on changes and policy updates, etc., is I'm just not going to offer those exams in my office anymore. I'm not going to offer drug testing collection in my office anymore. Now, one thing I am not going to do is I'm not going to lose my status as a certified drug testing sample collection site, because I still want to get all of the updates and be informed and right on the edge of everything that is coming down the pipeline from the federal government, from the FMCSA, the Department of Transportation, etc. So when I find out of any changes made to any of these policies, I can immediately make an update video because that's what I want to continue to do. So I hope this was informative and quick and to the point. Stay subscribed here because I've got a lot of good content coming up. And until next time, everybody, stay safe.